Today I'm going to install Koda LED linkable shop light in my garage. These are linkable LEDs, meaning you can link these things with each other. They have a side port where you can plug in the next light to the side as it shows in this picture right here. So you can link up to 6 per circuit, I believe. I don't know if it's the right word, circuit, but you can link them up to 6. But I have installed 6 in my garage, but I only linked 3 to each other. So I have 2 sets of 3s linked, but unfortunately I have a failure over there. So now I'm installing a replacement. So this Koda linkable shop LED has all the nice features. So you can see here, connect up to 6 shop lights on one power line, and it is 4600 lumens output, advanced motion sensing. So as you can see here, an example of that would be, see my light over there is off and these are on. So I think they are sensing my motion here, but not that light. If I move closer to it, you can see that. See, now it turned on. So that's what they meant, motion sensing. Even though they are linked in the same circuit, each light's individual motion sensor acts independently. And they also come with a smart remote control. And one thing about that remote control is that you can use the same remote to control all the 6 lights, but not at once. So depending upon the proximity of the remote to the light, only that light will make changes with the remote. So you got to be close to each light when you want to make some changes to the settings. And these lights are very bright. So they are, as usual, they have a 50,000 hours of use. Most of the LEDs say that nowadays. So 48 watts LED power. So without any further delay, let's open the box and see what's in there. Let's see what's in the box. So we have the manual, warranty card or registration card, the light itself with the cord. So this goes on the side. Measuring template. You normally stick it to the surface where you're planning on mounting the light and drill at these 2 locations depending upon where you are installing. You have wood screws here, drywall screws here. You have chains. If you have tall ceilings, you can actually mount these things a little bit lower by hanging from the clips. I am not going to do that in my case. So, but if you want to, so you get all the accessories that you need for that part. But I only need these clamps. I'm using the supply template to drill the holes. I basically chose a point for one hole and installed the template and made sure that the template is straight and square. Once I align the template to the one hole, the second hole falls wherever it may be, then I'll drill it there according to the template. Be sure to wear some eye protection when you're drilling in the ceiling. A lot of it fell on my face. I'm glad I'm wearing these glasses. Put the drywall anchors in. You don't need to use the hammer to set this in. They can just go in nice and smooth with a mallet. This thing is a bit mangled, but once the screw goes in, hopefully it forms back. Okay, that seems to have set in the center. All right. I just need to plug this in to see if it works. Once that is done, I'm just gonna stick these wires to the ceiling. Nope, left and right. So there. Okay. Alright, so I set it up. Now I just need to tuck the wire. I secure the wire there. The light's on. Alright, so now that finishes the install. There is the wire secured and hooked up to the light next to it. Thank you for watching.